In this video, I'm going to show you how to post thoughts on TikTok or how to create a thought. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to our profile section, and in here we can already see on top of our avatar thoughts with a question mark. And when you want to add one, you don't need to click on the blue plus icon because this will create a story. No, you're going to click on this thoughts area. So I'm going to do that. And as you can see right now, you can basically create your own thought. Let's say you are pumped because you're going to the gym or something like that. So you want to, let's say you want to add this to your story as a thought. You can also select who can view the story. So you can put this to everyone. You can select friends only, or you can select only you. And let's say we want to put this to everyone. We can also change the theme. Let's say we want this, we like this. And when you're ready, you're basically going to click on post your story. And also what I want to show you is on top, it says your thought will be visible to your followers for 24 hours. And then it will be deleted off your channel. So let's say we want to post this, we click on your story. And now you see that this thought is post and it is a part of our story as well. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.